Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this video lesson, how to play an arrangement of Blue Christmas by Elvis Presley. Start off with the chords. First one is an E. First finger goes 3rd string, 1st fret. Middle finger goes 5th string, 2nd fret. Ring finger goes to the 4th string, 2nd fret. Level 6. To go from the E to the B7, your middle finger is going to stay exactly where it is. Your ring finger and 1st finger are going to swap strings. So your 1st finger is on the 4th string, 1st fret, and your ring finger is on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Your pinky drops down almost exactly where it is, right there on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Play 5 strings. For the A chord, you're going to need to push down the 4th string on the 2nd fret, the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and the 2nd string on the 3rd fret. Whether you play with these fingers, these fingers, these fingers, these fingers, it's all the same A chord. The first new chord after that is an F sharp 7. Your 1st finger goes all the way across the 2nd fret. The most important note is that low E, which is now playing an F sharp. With your 1st finger there, your middle finger goes on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, and your ring finger goes on the 5th string, 4th fret. Play all 6. Without your shirt on the strings. The next new chord is all the way down in the next section, the B flat diminished 7th. My, doesn't that sound complicated? You're going to put your 1st finger on the first 4 strings on the 2nd fret, and then your middle finger reaches over and gets the 3rd string, 3rd fret, ring finger, 1st string, 3rd fret. Play those 4 strings that you have your fingers on. Awful sounding chord, isn't it? But between two chords, and notice to go to that from the A, especially if you're playing the 1st finger A, you don't have to change much. The basic strumming for it is a slow, loose shuffle. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Your up's a lot shorter than your down. Now to play my arrangement, you're going to be doing a lot of root notes. 6, down, root, 5, 6 string, 5th string, 6th string, 5th string. And notice I'm a lot more accurate at that if I use my anchor point. If I touch these fingers to the guitar where I normally touch them, or the high string even. It doesn't matter if you mute that right before you play this note. I'm more used to putting it right there at the edge of the pick guard. And I usually hit it. Now for my arrangement, I have a little introduction that I've written. So you're going to play the 5th string, open, 1st, 2nd, B7. Now when you play the root 5 on the B7, you're going 5th string strum, 6th string strum, but you have to move your middle finger up to the 6th string, 2nd fret. Then we just go to the E chord, E and strum, and A and strum, and B7 and strum. And that's the intro to the song. The main thing that I do for my arrangement of Blue Christmas is not try to sing like Elvis. Not dissing any Elvis impersonators out there. If you like it that way, by all means do it. The man was a great singer. His impersonators not always so much. And they always seem to impersonate the little annoying characters instead of the ones that made him great. So use your full voice, like the King did, and make the song great on your own, doing it your way. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play an Arrangement of Blue Christmas by Elvis Presley. Thank you for watching.